let us start the process of the cook-a-thon. It's a Saturday. My aim today is to make food for the rest of the week. Hello, hi, how are you? Just need to make sure that we have food for the week, because I hate, and I don't know about you, but I hate getting to the end of the day and thinking, what are we gonna cook today? Or what are we gonna eat today? It's just too many decisions in a day, and I just want to be able to make those decisions once a week and then be sorted for the rest of the week, at least when it comes to dinners. So at the moment, the kitchen is very clean and empty, and we're going to be filling that with the ingredients for each of the recipes. There's a mix of recipes that I have, ones that are based from cookbooks, ones I found online, and my principle is very simple. It has to be easy to make, healthy, nutritious, and also a lot of it, because, you know, I like my food. So let's get going. So the first recipe I want to make is this homemade, obviously, roasted tomato and basil soup. This is that from the Ambitious Kitchen. I'm really craving some roasted tomato soup. We had some friends came to visit last weekend. Hello, Chris. Hello, Christy. They made a roasted tomato soup and it was so delicious, and I want to make another one. So I'm gonna get the ingredients for that. So these are the ingredients for my roasted tomato soup. I'm going to change the recipe slightly and add some red pepper and also some red lentils just to make it more filling. Alright, the second recipe I'm going to make is called Grandma's Slow Cooker Vegetarian Chili. It is veggie chili. I would usually use the slow cooker, but I think it's because most of the beans are kind of already cooked. I think it's just easier to do it on the stove. So this is the recipe. I'm going to link all of these down below, so I'm going to get the ingredients for that. You okay there? These here are the ingredients for the veggie chili. As you can see, a lot of canned goods. Celery, onion, and green pepper are the fresh veggies. And yeah, this looks pretty straightforward. I'm really big into soups, and if I'm going to do a cook-a-thon, I want to make at least 2 soups so we can freeze some. And another recipe for a soup is going to be a carrot soup. The carrot soup is from this cookbook by Niomi Smart. Eat Smart. So creamy carrot soup with roasted broccoli sounds divine. So let me get the ingredients on the counter. That looks good. Here are our ingredients for the carrot soup. Lots of goodies. I can't wait to make this one. I don't think I've ever made it before, but every time I go through that cookbook, I think, this sounds good. Now, to facilitate this cook-a-thon, I'm going to give Harper a bottle of breast milk, because breastfeeding and then cooking this in the 2 hours that she can be awake is not going to happen. Okay, now this one has been fed, let's do some vegetable prep. Okay, time to make the chili. Recipe number 2. What's the taste test?
Delicious.
This tomato soup is so delicious. I highly recommend you make it. I basically ate my bowl in not even 2 minutes. It's so good. Okay, it's the second day today. It's Sunday, and today I'm going to be doing some treats and sweet things because I find myself wanting to snack in the middle of the week instead of reaching out for, unhealthy things. I will make some muffins, some savory and sweet muffins, and then some power bowls, which Niomi is suggesting. So we'll see how that goes. I still have my helper here. She's exploring the house. Yesterday it took me 3 hours to cook all of that stuff. With some interruptions, and we're gonna take one soup at a time. So let's see if these muffins and energy balls turn out to be good. Yes. Wish me luck. I just have to do a taste test. Very nice. I hope Harper will like it. Now just remember, for babies, they don't have any salt, not that many spices, so they can be a bit bland, but obviously if you're making it for yourself, just I would add a lot more spices to this. I would add just a little bit of chili powder, a bit of salt, obviously. And you can really taste the cheddar in this one. It's really good. Harper eats so well. She's definitely not going to eat all 12 of these muffins, so some are going to have to come to us. Let's do a taste test with Garrett and let's see what he thinks. Carrot muffin.
Wow, that's really good.
Really nice, huh? And then cheddar spinach.
Oh, wow.
Yeah?
Great. Do you have a favorite out of the two?
Thumbs up. The last one, I think, is amazing. What do you think of the carrot muffin? Lemon coconut bliss.
It sounds blissful. And what's Harper cooking? Harper's cooking the drapes. She really have a ball. Hey Harper, can you hand me the ladle, please? Yeah, that's the right job.
What should I mention in my YouTube?
That like a true chef, after creating your masterpieces, someone else cleans the kitchen for you.
Yes! Harper? She cleans it?
No.